Now it's time for Executive Sous Chef with the Dallas Mavericks, Chef Mariio Henry. And he's here to share his journey to the NBA kitchen while, of course, serving up something very delicious, a Jamaican-inspired seared jerk salmon. Hi, Chef
Hi,
Mariio. Good morning.
Good morning.
I mean, besides, Romario, besides, let's say, Chef Mariio, who is Romario?
So, Romario is a traveler. I love to travel. I love to go to different countries, try different cuisines, and it inspires my global cuisine fusion dishes.
Okay. When did you first realize that cooking was not just a skill, but more of a passion for you?
Okay, so in high school, I actually went to Knox College and I actually got first place in the CSEC for home economics. That's when I was like, okay, I think this is bigger than just a hobby. Let me turn this into a career.
Okay, and then growing up in Ocho Rios, you mentioned going to Knox College. What flavors or memories helped to shape some of your cooking today?
So, Ochi is by the water. So a lot of fresh fish, fresh seafood. Also, my dad on Sundays, he would always be cooking 2 meat Sundays. So that has shaped my culinary journey over the years.
Okay, and when you received the first place for home ec, how did that make you feel during that time? Like, say, yeah.
That was a big moment because I didn't expect it, but I know it was good, but I didn't know it was great.
You're just like, oh, I kind of have this. I know what I'm doing.
Yes,
it makes sense. So tell me now, working with the Dallas Mavericks, it sounds quite intense. You have to make sure that nutrition is on point, right?
Yes.
What's a typical day like for you?
So a typical day for us starts very early because you have to make sure the guys are on point from breakfast to pre-game to post-game. Whatever they eat during the day, it fuels them on the court, and then recovery after. We have like the 3 R's: rehydrate, refuel, and recovery.
Yeah.
Yes. See, so that provides it's a long day sometimes. High intense, just like how they are on the court, that's how the kitchen gets.
Wow.
Yes.
So you start early, breakfast.
Yes.
Is it what, high protein, high carbs?
High protein, clean. We're not doing a lot of no fats. You're doing clean, you're doing recovery shakes, and everybody have different specific diets, so you're just tailoring meals to what their goal is.
Okay, so
with help from the nutritionist.
Each player's diet is different.
Yes, everybody have different goals, so you have to stick with that and make sure that you are in line with the dietitian.
Okay, and what they require. What's the most exciting thing about working with the Dallas Mavericks?
I think the most exciting thing is watching the food transition on the court, because however we fuel them, it resonates on the court. It's an amazing experience, and then get to travel the world with them, fuel them in all these different cities, and just to make sure they're okay. It's a great experience.
No, Chef Mariio is superstar settings. Let me just tell you, okay? It's a superstar business. You're gonna be making something for us this morning.
Yes.
So while we talk, I want you to get right into it. What are you making first of all?
So today I'm gonna make a seared King Ora jerk salmon paired with rice and quinoa pilaf, and I have a kalaloo and spinach, charred spinach.
All right, so let's get started. What are we making first?
We're gonna make the salmon.
The salmon first.
So I have a pot heating over there, and then I'm just gonna season it.
Okay.
We have some dry jerk, and when we're cooking for athletes, so you tune some of the flavors, so it's not going to be as strong. You don't want it too spicy. You don't want it to upset any tummies before a game. So you alter some of the spices to flow with the diet.
Okay. Do you find that you have, infused a lot of your Jamaican culture and tastes with some of the food that you make for them as well? A little jerk here and there.
Yes.
Maybe kalaloo or
ginger. Love
ginger.
Ginger, I love ginger.
Yeah?
Because then it is also good for the gut health.
Yeah.
So, when you do research on some of our spices and stuff like that, and you realize that it actually helps to fuel performance, you get to incorporate it more.
Okay, so in addition to the jerk and the ginger, how else would you say that you infuse, Jamaican flavor into these high-performance athletes' meals?
So, you know, Jamaicans are very versatile. So it's easy to incorporate our flavors into a lot of their dishes. Subtle notes.
Okay.
Subtle notes, you know, you don't want to overbear, but you also want to keep it familiar.
Right.
So, for example, something like a pasta they may like,
Yeah.
you add a little flair into that.
Okay, so all right, what else we're gonna add to the pot now?
We're going to add
Chef
some
Mariio?
avocado oil.
Avocado oil,
Yes.
okay.
That's the oil of choice, grapeseed or pure olive oil. We don't use canola, no saturated fats.
Okay, your pot, it's not too hot, or you want we turn it down? It's good?
You want a nice sear on the salmon.
All right.
And then you turn it down.
Okay.
Make sure
all
the
right.
salmon is dry, pat it dry before.
Okay.
That's what you want to hear.
Hey, okay.
Okay, then that mimics jerk.
Okay.
That's gonna give you the look you would go for on the grill.
Okay.
So once you get that sear, then you can turn it down and let it go.
Okay, so-
this is organic wild salmon, so you want to definitely keep the integrity of it.
Okay, all right. And then while that's being done, what else are we gonna do?
We are going to make a Scotch bonnet avocado emulsion.
All right, so walk
That's
us
going to be
through
the
it.
sauce for the dish. So here, I have, let me get some gloves.
All me wonder is where Chef Mariio find avocado, because I've been looking,
Quite
but...
smart.
All right, so tell me now,
It
walk
was
us
a-
through. We're almost out of time. I have about 2 minutes or so to go.
Yes.
So let's just get that done. So we have the avocado already cut up and...
Yes. So we're going to add it. This have some lime juice, some salt, some pepper. We're going to put some garlic, some Scotch bonnet, a little bit of water. And then we're going to add some cilantro and parsley.
Okay.
And then for a little added gut health, we're going to add some plain Greek yogurt.
Okay.
Instead of dairy, instead of...
Okay. You're teaching me while you're
Yes.
going. All right. And then once we add all that in...
Yeah, I'm just going to lock this up and get it going. Sometimes I think it looks like help.
Okay. Want to add more water?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little more water.
But we don't want it too watery.
No, that's why I'm going to add some lime juice.
Okay.
And then I'm going to just get everything down into the blender.
All right. And then we go and we blend again.
Yes.
Oh, looking good, Chef Mariio. And while we blend that up, what would you say has been a wow moment for you in your career so far?
I think the wow moment for me in my career so far is walking into the Dallas Mavericks kitchen, and I'm also the only one I know of, Jamaican born.
Wow.
So that was like a wow moment, like, oh my God, this is really happening. So
Okay.
if you want to come over here, we can plate some of this for you.
Right. So this is just the salmon that we are
Yes,
making.
this
It's
is
already,
just-
right,
yes,
okay,
exactly.
already done lovely here. And this is the sauce.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hey. This is, hey, you know, Chef Mariio, it's a sous chef. It's like,
Know the
got it.
race?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, so lovely.
And then this is a mango pineapple salsa, just to create some more interest, color, flavor, and bring some texture to the dish.
Ooh.
And it also helps balance that spice, that heat.
Just with a touch of sweet.
Yes.
Okay.
Just lime juice, a little bit of honey.
Looking so good, Chef Mariio.
Okay.
I think Nev and I are saying, listen, we found our breakfast. We found our breakfast. So lovely. All right, Chef Mariio. Well, all the very best to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For
Thank you,
for being here.
guys.
I was told.
don't work.
No, Nevs.
Don't work.
Okay, I'm gonna do a quick taste. Quickly, I want to try the salmon with the mango salsa, mango and pineapple salsa. Okay. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. How did you like salsa? This is so good, and the salmon is just so.
Wild
it's-
caught. That's the difference.
Oh, it is so beautiful. I have breakfast, guys. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Chef Mariio.
Thank you so much for having me, guys. Hopefully,
right.
I'll be opening something here in Jamaica soon.
All right, and we can't wait to try it as well. Executive Sous Chef with the Dallas Mavericks, Romario, Chef Mariio Henry. Don't go anywhere. Is he gone? So good.